model, AI model that Google just launched called Nano Banana or Gemini 2.5. And this model is very, very good at manipulating images and photos and blending images with one another, replacing the background. So it does all sorts of manipulations to images and photos. And I've been working to build some apps on the AI, on the Google AI Studio that includes Nano Banana as a model that is behind those models. Um, and I decided to do a small application that is some kind of fun and really a great fun for people that loves tech, for founders, for people that are working in tech companies and that are just want to see how Nano Banana works. So I'm gonna show you what I've built, and you will be able also to get a link and also try it yourself. Founding Banana, this is the app that I've built with the Google AI Studio and with the model of Gemini 2.5. Nano Banana. So essentially what you can do here, let's go to full screen, you're uploading your image or image of any other person that you want. Let me pick my own image here, and you press generate, and then, right, essentially what it is designed to do is to go to the internet, fetch an image of a CEO, in this case it's Tim Cook, and to generate an image of both of us, right? And I can share it and I can download it. Let's try to shuffle it and see if it works. With Mark Zuckerberg this time. Let's see. Let's hope it doesn't break. It breaks. But it might do another one with the CEO of NVIDIA, or might not. Let's see what it gives as an output. Still thinking. Doesn't work as well. Let's try Elon Musk again. Okay, Elon works. I hope that it got you inspired really to work with Nano Banana and with Gemini 2.0, the model, but also to build with the AI Studio by Google. I just want to admit that it took a lot of iterations, a lot of different prompts to try and experimentation until I landed in this final version. But this concept about iterating and using the studio to prompt, to try and fix errors, to try and build again based with a new prompt is really, really helpful and teaches you a lot about what the model can do, what it's good at, what it's not. So you can actually click the link to use it and generate photos with the biggest tech CEOs of yourselves and friends, and you can share it on social media and have fun with it.